Hi, this is Vipin. This is in continuation to the previous video, and we learned shortly on what is forward charge. So, what does the Act say on forward charge? We'll break down these four points and we'll understand that in detail. So, first point is on all intrastate supplies of goods or services or both. Really, on all intrastate supplies? If you recall the first video, we would have discussed that alcohol for human consumption and petroleum are all not part of GST at present. So alcohol for human consumption and the petroleum products are not forming part of GST. Now coming to the second part of this section is on the value so determined under section 15. So what does section 15 say? Value under section 15 means that the price which has actually been paid or payable where service supplier or the recipient are not related and price is the sole consideration. So this is the value on which GST applies. So that gives a completion of the second point. Now there is a third point which comes up which says tax rate not exceeding 20%. So what is this 20%? Because this is only one part of the story. Because as we know, CGST and SGST are two components of GST when intrastate trade is concerned. So CGST plus SGST together forms part of the GST in an invoice. So the Act says that CGST is capped at 20%. So you would have seen in various invoices that 9% CGST plus 9% GST, SGST. Similarly, 14% in case of air conditioners and other products, you would have seen 14% CGST plus 14% SGST. This 20% what we are talking about is the maximum cap. So overall 40% is the maximum rate at which we are talking about. So this is the third point which we are covering. So that marks the end of 3 points and we'll go in detail on the fourth point, which is taxable person. Taxable person means a person who is registered or liable to be registered under the Act. So the let us say a person who has crossed the threshold limit of 20 lakhs, then he is liable to pay the tax. So that covers the fourth point as well. In short, when we see the forward charge mechanism, the seller has to pay the tax to the government what he receives from the receiver of goods or services. In overall, if we try to make a summary out of it, if there is a seller who sells product or services to the buyer and there is no relationship between them, then price is the sole consideration that he receives. He has to pay that to the government. This is called forward charge mechanism. And thank you for watching this video. Please keep visiting this channel for more such videos. Thank you.